Facebook is one of the world's most popular social media networks, but it isn't perfect. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about problems you might face on your Facebook video calls. So the first thing that I need you guys to do is to head over to downdetector.in or any of the other websites, status detector websites, to check whether or not there is a problem with Facebook Messenger. A lot of the times there will be a server outage that will cause this kind of an error. So if you're on your computer and you can't make a video call for whatever reason, just go ahead and check to make sure that there are no current problems with Facebook Messenger, because that's what you're going to make your video calls on. Alternatively, one very simple trick is to simply restart your browser. Just close it in and then restart it again. If that does not fix your problem, you should probably check your internet connection. Now, as you can see, I'm connected to the internet. So if I fire up Edge and if I run a speed test, I am getting, well, pretty good speeds, more than enough for a video call. So if that doesn't work either, you could try and check camera and mic settings for your browser. So open up Windows settings. We're just first going to search for camera, and you will see camera privacy settings pop up right here. Wait, where did they go? Yeah, camera privacy settings. And now on this page, you can control which apps get access to your camera. So as you can see, I have allowed my browser to access my camera as and when it can, which means so it accessed my webcam yesterday at this time, which means that I can, if I'm making a call through my browser, my webcam will be visible. The second thing to check is the mic. So we'll search for mic and go to microphone privacy settings, and you will see the same set of permissions here. So make sure that your browser has the required permissions in order to be able to make these video calls. Now, if you're on your phone, the process works a little differently. The first thing that we're going to do is head over to Messenger. So tap and hold on the app and then tap the I button to go to the app settings. Now in here, scroll down to permissions, and first just make sure that the app has the permissions that it needs to run. So camera and microphone are the two basic ones. Just make sure that it has those. Once you're done with that and that does not fix your problem, you should go ahead and click on storage and cache. And here you can clear the app's cache. Do keep in mind that this may require you to log into the app again. Now, if you can't fix the problem from that point either, what you can try to do is to go ahead and simply uninstall the app so that you can reinstall it. So I'm going to go ahead and close it. Then I'm going to go to my system settings, go to apps, see all apps, and let's find Messenger in this list. And just search for it, Messenger right here. Then go ahead and tap the uninstall button. You have the option of keeping the app data. I don't want to do that because I want a fresh reinstall. So go ahead and delete the app this way. And now Messenger is gone. Now we'll just head over to the Play Store, search for Messenger, and we're going to download the Messenger app again, this time hopefully fixing your problem. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.